All right, let's settle this once and for all. What's the real difference between Diet Coke and Coke Zero? Because if you're anything like me, you've stood in front of the fridge at the shop staring at both cans, wondering if it's just clever marketing, or if there's actually something going on inside those fizzy drinks. Now let's start with the basics. Diet Coke is sugar-free. Coke Zero is sugar-free. That's right, neither is actual sugar. Either will do the trick. But here's where it gets interesting. The main difference isn't the sugar, it's the flavor. Diet Coke uses a different recipe. Coke Zero uses a different recipe. Diet Coke launched in 1982, designed as a lighter, crisper alternative to regular Coke. But it doesn't actually taste like classic Coke. Its recipe is unique. Side by side, you'll notice its distinct flavor. Tangy, metallic. Coke Zero came out in 2005. Its mission tastes like regular Coke without the sugar, uses a different blend of artificial sweeteners, uses flavorings to get closer to original Coke taste. So if you want classic Coke flavor without sugar, Coke Zero is your best bet. If you like a lighter, different taste, Diet Coke is for you. Now let's talk sweeteners. Aspartame. Coke Zero usually adds acesulfame potassium. That helps it hit the classic Coke profile. Diet Coke sticks with aspartame alone, part of why it tastes different. Caffeine, both have it, amounts are pretty similar. So next time you're in the shop, you'll know it's all about flavor. Diet Coke goes its own way. Coke Zero tries to mimic the original. Pick the one you like best or grab both and see what fits your mood. Cheers for watching. Next time you crack a can, you'll know what you're drinking. If this helped clear things up, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more food and drink mysteries solved.